would like to share some story about me being beauty queen. When I was in my teenage, I was discriminated and really sad. Kasi alam naman natin before, hindi nila na-appreciate yung morena skin. Hindi nila parang ina-acknowledge because they have societal perception or standards about being a beauty queen. And pinagkukuhanin ko ng lakas, my strength, or those people who believe in me and supported me, most especially my manager. She was the one who saw the potential in me that I can be a beauty queen. Not just because to showcase na ang mga morena, pwede rin mga beauty queen, but because she saw the potential in me na kaya ko mag-inspire, mag-empower. Nakatulad ko din who came from being a victim of discrimination. Sorry for the word, pero I was discriminated before. But right now, since I'm going to represent the Philippines, bukod sa mga taong sumusupport at naniniwala sa akin, pinagkukuhanan ko din ng lakas yung mga taong nagbula sa akin. Because of their doubts, because of their questions, I was able to conquer this, and I was able to have the opportunity to showcase what I am capable of. And here I am. I am now bagging the title for the Miss Aura International 2020.
Nag-research